A Jamaican lamb stew is my quick fix way of having an impromptu party because the ingredients are all readily available in your kitchen. Now, before the food police come and tell me, oh my God, this is not Jamaican, please be rest assured the allspice is the kicker that takes this beautiful baby home. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as I get to creating it. Lots and lots of extra virgin olive oil, so nearly 50 mils of that going in. You want it to marble the lamb really well, along with 10 cloves of garlic finely minced up and a nice 2-inch bulb of ginger. As the garlic begins to leave out all its flavor, in goes 2 red onions finely sliced up. Now as the onions begin to soften, it's time to put in the lamb. You can allow the onions to brown, but totally optional. In goes 1.5 kg of lamb, large chunks of it. You want the lamb to brown on all sides, so stir away for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Now for the spice, so nearly 2 tablespoons of some smoked red paprika and a tablespoon of this gorgeous allspice, Jamaican in nature. 2 tablespoons of some refined flour just to thicken it and give it its nutty aroma. Going to deglaze with a little bit of hot water, about a cup. And now I'm going to add all the fun ingredients that are readily available in my kitchen. So about 400 mils of tomato sauce and about 400 grams of barbecue sauce. You can add pineapple juice, but this is a quick fix way. A quick stir. And now you want this to simmer on the slowest possible heat for a good 1.5 to 2 hours. A sprinkling of some celery sea salt. Add a little bit more of hot water, another cup, to adjust the consistency. Slow and steady allows you to win the race on this one while you get to finishing all your other chores. 2 hours of simmering away. This decadent Jamaican lamb stew is ready. All this needs is a hearty garnish of some finely shredded cilantro. Go a little overboard with this and you're ready to dig right into this, either with some couscous or some quinoa or just some mashed potato. A hearty bowl of happiness, a Jamaican lamb stew that cooks with ingredients that are so readily available in your kitchen that you can create this in a jiffy when you have impromptu guests dining in. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.